If you want your PC performance from slow, delayed, and inconsistent to fast, responsive, and locked in, then this video is for you. Most people chase FPS numbers, but real gamers know the real enemy is latency, background load, and Windows doing dumb stuff behind your back. Today, I'm showing you a utility that goes straight for the system's throat. This is called Velocity Tweaks. And if you care about responsiveness, stability, and clean performance, watch this properly. To get this tool on your PC, simply open your browser and go to velocitytweaks.com/download. Once the website opens, you'll see their premium plans. There's a monthly plan for flexibility, a yearly plan with a big discount and better value, and a lifetime plan if you want one-time payment and permanent access. Choose whatever fits you best. Download the tool, install it, and log in. After login, the first thing you'll see is the dashboard. This is your system overview. You can instantly see your optimization status, CPU usage behavior, and whether your PC is actually optimized or just pretending to be. This screen is important because it gives you a baseline before touching any tweaks. Moving into the next major section, Windows tweaks. This is where Velocity Tweaks starts doing real work. Here, you'll find performance-focused options like disabling Windows Fast Startup, stopping unnecessary background services, disabling hibernation, killing search indexing, and turning off features that constantly wake up your system. These are not cosmetic tweaks. These directly reduce background interference and improve system responsiveness. As you continue through the Windows section, you'll notice power and boot-related optimizations. Things like boot configuration tweaks, power behavior tuning, and Windows services that normally waste resources even when you're gaming. Velocity Tweaks organizes these changes cleanly, so you're not blindly editing registry files or group policies yourself. Next, moving further to the Power Tweaks section, this is where latency starts to drop hard. Here, you'll see options for latency and response tuning, HPET behavior, timer-related tweaks, power optimization logic, and USB selective suspend controls. These tweaks are especially important for competitive gaming because they affect input delay and system reaction time, not just FPS. Right after that, we move into network tweaks. This section is focused on reducing network latency and stabilizing packet behavior. You'll see DNS configuration, TCP/IP optimizations, Nagel's algorithm handling, and Windows network settings that usually hurt gaming more than they help. These tweaks don't magically boost internet speed, but they do make your connection more consistent and responsive in online games. Now we reach the Games section. Here you can see your installed games and manage game-specific behavior. This allows Velocity Tweaks to treat your games differently from normal desktop usage, so Windows doesn't interfere when you're actually playing. This separation is important because gaming and normal usage should never be handled the same way. After that, we move into System Clean. This is where you clean out Windows junk properly. Cache files, temporary files, Windows Update leftovers, thumbnail cache, and other useless data that builds up over time. This doesn't just free space, it helps Windows behave more predictably. Next is Startup Management. This section shows you what launches with Windows. Instead of guessing, you can clearly see which apps slow down boot time and silently run in the background. Disabling unnecessary startup apps here directly improves boot speed and reduces background CPU usage. Moving into the advanced GPU tweaks, this is where GPU-level optimizations come in. Whether you're on NVIDIA or AMD, Velocity Tweaks offers driver-related optimizations, power behavior tuning, scheduling tweaks, and display-related options. These settings help reduce driver overhead and improve GPU consistency, especially during long gaming sessions. Then we reach Advanced Miscellaneous Tweaks. This section is all about quality of life and control. Mouse behavior, keyboard response, Windows UI elements, disabling useless overlays, removing distractions, and tightening up system interaction. These tweaks don't inflate numbers, but they make the system feel faster and more responsive. If you're serious about gaming performance and want your system to feel sharp, responsive, and consistent, Velocity Tweaks is definitely worth trying. Download it from the link in the description, test it, apply the tweaks properly, and feel the difference. If this helped you, drop a like, subscribe for more real optimization content, and I'll see you in the next one.